Wow! You can play with both hands together. It looks like it's starting to rain. I know the perfect song for the rain. Can you guess what song it is? Let's get in our hands together position, with the right hand in Grandma's house and the left hand in the dog house, and play. That was great! Now let's play it again, only this time with the background music playing at the same time as us. Would you like to try? 1, 2, ready, play! I loved playing piano with you today, Pipsqueaks. See you next time. And if you want to watch more videos for preschool piano, click the like and subscribe button, and also check out the Pipsqueak Piano Preschool Book series available on Amazon.